crunchy crust turns macaroni and cheese recipe into a handheld appetizer version of everyone's favorite cheesy comfort food. A comfort classic that everyone will be fighting for. By the way, guys, we will use 4 types of cheese on this recipe. Now let's proceed. Tunawin natin ng butter at haluin ito para hindi masunog. Next, let's add flour to the melted butter and mix until it turns slightly brown. Then let's add 1/3 of our milk into the roux and stir constantly until smooth and creamy. Then another 1/3 of milk following the same method. Then let's add the remaining milk and stir until it simmers. Ngayon ay pwede na nating ilagay ang mozzarella, cheddar, and Eden cheese on the bechamel and stir properly. Lagyan na rin natin ng salt and white pepper to adjust the taste. Now, when the spoon is already coated fully by the sauce, then it's good to go. Let's add the cooked macaroni pasta and mix it properly with the sauce. Add in the Parmesan cheese, and place it on the baking tray and let it cool. Once it cooled, form it into a circle and drop into panko breadcrumbs. Then deep fry into 180-degree Fahrenheit oil until golden brown. Once it's golden brown and crispy, just set it aside. Now let's make the sauce. Just mix sriracha sauce and Japanese mayo or just the normal mayo. Add sugar syrup and mix. Serve it hot. You will surely love the sauce as it's simple, yet it complements the crispy mac and cheese balls. Well, we're always game in adding a little more fire to our already happy hearts. Really can't get enough of this insanely delicious mac and cheese recipe. Thanks for watching! Hope you enjoyed today's recipe. See you on our next video.